Maximum exposure on low-cost internet ad. Advertising had long since been a major determinant of a business success. This would include the presentation of the product/service to the consumers. What really matters is how it is presented to the target market to be able to capture it. Whatever the package, the ad media also plays a great role in determining the success of the product or service awareness. What may be its advantages over other proven medium like the best-selling TV ads? Advantages: 1. Low cost. Even though the internet ad might be viewed as classy or far-reaching, as compared to other medium, this is far cheaper than most. Internet ad packages are offered for as low as $29.99 for a 1-month runtime period. 2. Capture market. Should your product/service aim to cater to the younger generation or the corporate-oriented ones, internet ad would be best since they would always be hooked up into the net surfing sites that might have a link to your very own. Result: a great number of hits on your site. 2. Hassle-free. All you would ever really need is a PC, and some knowledge and bright ideas informing your site, wherein you could open your site, search for the best internet ad package, and check/update the status of your ad. You may actually never have to leave your home to advertise. 3. Updated ads. Unlike the TV ads that need to be updated on a regular basis, internet ads may run for quite some time without the need for change. If so, change in the site is very minimal and may be done easily at home. Disadvantages: 1. Scope. Limited market may be captured if one would solely use the internet ad for advertising. Although most people now are into the use of technology, i.e. surfing the internet, still, majority of the average consumers still relies on the old form of advertising as a means of gathering information about certain products/service. 2. Additional cost. If one would enlist the help of another professional or establishment to produce the site for their product or service, this would entail additional costs on the part of the entrepreneur. Given the stated list of advantages and disadvantages about low-cost internet ad, an entrepreneur may now weigh in its applicability to his/her product or service. The aim of internet ad is to offer the widest range or maximum exposure of the brand at the least possible cost. Now, does that not sound good or what?
Content produced and distributed by Eventhough. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.